We begin with the first law, the law of purpose. Picture yourself as a skilled and passionate gardener, tending to a garden that represents your dreams and aspirations. Each seed you plant is a goal, a desire, an ambition. Your purpose is the water and sunlight that nourishes these seeds, allowing them to grow, to thrive, to bloom. It's the driving force behind every action, every decision, every step on your unique journey to success. Like the gardener, you must cultivate your purpose, understand it, embrace it, let it drive you. It's not enough to merely want success. You must know why you want it. You must feel it in your bones, in your heart, in the very core of your being. Your purpose is the compass that will guide you on your journey, through the highs and the lows, the triumphs and the challenges. Find your purpose and let it guide you to success. The second law we encounter is the law of persistence. Success is not a destination we arrive at instantly, but a journey that unfolds gradually. It's not about reaching the peak in one giant leap, but about climbing the mountain one step at a time. Imagine a sculptor tirelessly chiseling away at a block of marble. Each stroke may seem insignificant, but over time it's these small, persistent efforts that transform the stone into a masterpiece. The same applies to our endeavors. Each day, each moment, we are chiseling our own path to success. Failures and setbacks are not roadblocks, but stepping stones. They are lessons that shape us, refine us, and make us stronger. When we stumble, we learn. When we fall, we rise again, more determined than ever. The journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about resilience, endurance, and the courage to keep going no matter what. Persistence is the key to unlock the treasures of success. The third law, the law of action, propels us forward. Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff, your dreams on the other side of a vast chasm. The bridge that connects you to your dreams is action. Without taking that first step, the bridge remains an illusion and the dreams a mirage, but the moment you step forward, you bring them into existence. The journey might be long, it might be arduous, but with each step, you get closer to your dreams. Each action, no matter how small, is a ripple in the cosmic ocean, building into a tidal wave of change. It's all about momentum. Start small, but start. Keep going, keep growing. The law of action is about realizing that dreams don't materialize through magic. They happen through continuous effort, through the power of action. Remember, every step you take is a step closer to your success. We now venture into the fourth law, the law of resilience. In this cosmic dance towards success, you are bound to encounter tempests of trials and torrents of tribulations. But remember, these are not roadblocks, but stepping stones on your journey. Resilience is the art of bouncing back, of harnessing the power of setbacks to fuel your progress. It's about staying the course when the seas get rough, holding tight to your dreams when the winds of doubt howl around you. Just as the mightiest oaks grow strong in contrary winds, you too will find your strength in adversity. Resilience is not just about survival, it's about thriving amidst the chaos. It's about transforming the trials into triumphs, the tests into testimonies. It's about the courage to rise every time you fall, to keep going when the going gets tough. Resilience is your sail in the storm of adversities. The fifth law, the law of adaptation, teaches us flexibility. It is the art of embracing change, of bending with the wind rather than breaking. We live in a world that is constantly evolving, and to succeed, we must evolve with it. Just as a river adjusts its course when it encounters a boulder, we too must learn to adapt to the obstacles life throws at us. This is not about abandoning our journey, but about finding new and innovative ways to reach our destination. It's about looking at a closed door and instead of turning back, searching for a window or even making a new door. The law of adaptation is about resilience, creativity, and an open mind. It's about understanding that change is the only constant and that our ability to adapt is our greatest strength. Adapt, evolve, and thrive in the changing tides of life. The sixth law, the law of integrity, forms the bedrock of success. Imagine a towering edifice, majestic and grand. It stands tall, not merely because of its surface grandeur, but due to the solid foundation upon which it is built. Such is the role of integrity in the architecture of a successful life. Honesty, ethics, and integrity are the pillars that uphold this edifice. They give it strength, stability, and longevity. Without them, the structure, however impressive it may appear, is susceptible to collapse, like a house of cards in a gust of wind. Honesty is being true to oneself and others. It's about transparency, authenticity, and trustworthiness. Ethics are the moral principles that govern our actions and decisions. And integrity, the shining jewel in the crown, is steadfast adherence to a strict moral or ethical code, even when no one is watching. Integrity is your compass, guiding you through the complex terrain of life. Finally, we arrive at the seventh law, the law of gratitude. This law encourages us to recognize and appreciate the progress we've made on our individual paths to success. It's about acknowledging the journey, not just the destination. Every step we take, every challenge we overcome, and every victory we celebrate is a testament to our resilience, our courage, and our unwavering pursuit of success. The law of gratitude reminds us to pause, to reflect, and to express our appreciation for these moments. It's in these moments of gratitude that we find the strength to continue, the motivation to strive for more, and the wisdom to understand that success is not a destination, but a journey. This journey is enriched by the lessons we learn, the people we meet, and the experiences we gather along the way. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the fullness of life. Embrace it, and success will follow. As we continue our journey, we come across the eighth law, the law of positivity. This law shines a light on our paths, illuminating the way to success. Positivity is the fuel that drives us forward, propelling us towards our goals with unyielding determination and relentless vigor. It is the mental and emotional armor that shields us from the arrows of doubt, the bullets of negativity, and the bombs of failure. A positive mindset can overcome any obstacle, turning mountains into molehills and lions into kittens. It is not about ignoring the challenges or sugarcoating the difficulties. It's about viewing them as stepping stones to success, as opportunities for growth, as catalysts for improvement. And the beauty of positivity is that it is contagious. Like a beacon of hope, it can inspire others on their journey, uplifting their spirits, boosting their morale, and igniting their resolve. By radiating positivity, we not only enhance our own prospects of success, but we also contribute to the success of others. So remember, stay positive and the universe will respond in kind. Embrace the law of positivity, and success will not just be a possibility, but a certainty. As we progress in our journey, we encounter the ninth law, the law of patience. This law presents us with a profound understanding of the value of time. Patience is not merely the act of waiting. It is the art of waiting for the right moment. It is the wisdom of knowing that every seed needs time to grow, that every journey has its pace, and that every dream has its own rhythm. The law of patience teaches us to respect the rhythm of life. It reminds us that success is not a sprint but a marathon. It is about understanding that the real magic happens behind the scenes, in the unseen, in the silent passages of time. It's about recognizing that the most beautiful flowers bloom only after enduring the harshest winters. Patience is the key to unlocking the full potential of our dreams. It is the silent ingredient in the recipe of success. It is the calm voice that whispers in our ears, telling us to hold on, to keep going, to stay the course, no matter how long it takes or how hard it gets. Embrace the law of patience, and you'll discover that success is not a destination to be reached, but a journey to be enjoyed. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every hour. Patience is indeed a virtue, one that leads to success. And now we arrive at the 10th law, the law of harmony. Harmony isn't just a concept, it's a way of life. It's the delicate balance between give and take, between effort and rest, between ambition and contentment. Harmony is the music of the universe, and we, as individuals, are the notes that contribute to its grand symphony. Each one of us has a part to play, and when we play our parts in sync, in harmony, we create a masterpiece. The law of harmony teaches us that success is not about pushing relentlessly, but about finding the balance. It's about aligning our personal goals with the greater good, our actions with our values, our dreams with reality. It's about understanding that we are not separate from the world around us, but a part of it. And when we live in harmony with the world, we find a sense of peace, fulfillment, and success that is far more profound and lasting. Embrace the law of harmony, and you'll find that success is not just about achieving goals, but about living a life that is balanced, fulfilling, and in tune with the universe. Remember, a string can produce music only when it is neither too tight nor too loose. So find your balance, find your harmony, and you'll find your success. Moving on to the 11th law, the law of reflection. Reflection is the mirror to our inner self. It's the process that allows us to learn and grow from our past experiences. It's about taking a pause, stepping back, and analyzing our actions, decisions, and their outcomes. It's about asking ourselves what worked, what didn't, what can I do better next time. Reflecting on our journey helps us understand where we are, how far we've come, and what direction we need to take moving forward. It's about acknowledging our strengths, accepting our weaknesses, and working on improving them. Reflection is not about dwelling on the past, but about using it as a stepping stone to reach greater heights. The law of reflection teaches us that every experience, every failure, every success is a lesson. And the more we reflect, the more we learn, the more we grow. So take some time every day to reflect on your journey, your actions, your decisions, and their outcomes. Use these reflections as a tool to guide your future actions, to improve, to grow, and to succeed. Remember, the only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. So reflect, learn, grow, and succeed. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more motivational and inspirational content.